Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. So we're working on the chapter rational numbers and the lessons we're going to start with is powers of rational numbers. Then we'll start the new lesson, that new chapter that is powers and polynomials, and the lessons we're going to cover today are representing powers up to degree 3 and multiplying and dividing powers. So let's just start with the first lesson that is from chapter number 1, and lesson name is powers of rational numbers. So we were working on grade 9 book, that is Principles of Mathematics grade 9. So let's just start with one point. Okay, here it is. Powers of rational numbers. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just move on to practice questions. Okay, let's just start with question number 5, that is calculate 8.9 minus 3.2 square. Okay, let me just write it down. 8 point question number 5a. Okay, question number 5a. That is 8.9 minus 3.2. 8.9 minus 3.2 square. So let's just start with the first one. So let's just evaluate 3.2 square. 3.2 square means you have to do 3.2 times 3.2. Got it? So 3.2 square is 10.24. It would be 8.9 minus 10.24. You can see 8.9 is smaller than 10.24. Got it? You have to subtract. That means answer must have a negative sign. So it would be negative 1.34. Got it? The correct option is negative 1.34. Okay. The next one is 2.3 cube minus 5.4. The F part, 2.3 cube minus 5.4 divided by negative 3 square. Got it? Let's just evaluate. Let's just do 2.3 cube first. That means you have to do 2.3 times 2.3 sorry, 2.3 times 2.3 times 2.3. That would be 12.167 minus 5.4, and you have 3 square is 9. Got it? Let's just subtract 12.167 minus 5.4, that equals 6.767, and you have to divide it by the negative 9. Got it? So 6.767 divided by 9, so that equals, you have a negative sign, that would be 0.751. Got it? So the correct option is 0.751. Got it? Okay, just look at the question number 6. Calculate. Let's just start with 6a. 2 times negative 1 over 3 whole square. Question number 6a. That is 2 times negative 1 over 3 whole square. Got it? So that is the square of negative 1 over 3. Got it? So it would be negative through negative 1 over 3 times negative 1 over 3. Got it? So you're multiplying two negative numbers, answer must be positive. So it would be 1 times 1 is 1 and 3 times 3 is 9. So it would be 2 over 9. Got it? So the correct option is 2 over 9. Got it? Okay, let's just look at the question number D. Okay, that is, let me just, question number 6, D. That is negative 4 whole 1 over 5 square and 25 over 4 square. Got it? So let's just evaluate. It would be 5 times 4 is 20 and 121 over 5 square. You have negative sign and 25 over 4 square. Got it? So let's just evaluate. 21 times 21, it would be 441 divided by 5 square is 25 and 25 square is 625 divided by 16. Got it? So you have to do numerator time numerator, denominator time denominator. Got it? Let's just multiply them. It would be 275625 divided by 400. Got it? You can divide and you can write the answer in the fractional form. Got it? Okay, let's just start with question number 7. Determine the value that makes each equation true. Explain how you get the answer. So let's just start with question number 7. A, that is 2.4. The missing exponent equals 5.76. Question number, that is 2.4. The missing exponent equals 5.76. Got it? So you have to find the missing number. So 2.4 square is 5.76. Let me just check. It would be 2.4 square equals 5.76. Got it? Okay, just look at the question number 8. Okay, just look at the question number 8. Bob, Rob invites $100. Rob invests $100 in an account earning interest at a rate of 5% per year for 10 years. Sharon invests the same amount of money as Rob, but she earns interest at a rate of 10% per year for 5 years. Predict whose investment would be worth more in the end and explain why. Calculate the value of both investments. Got it? So you have to look which investment is good. Got it? Okay, the Rob investment there is $100 in an earning account interest is 5% per year for 10 years, and Sharon has the investment and interest at a rate of 10% for 5 years. Okay, so that means Rob will earn more interest because Rob have the investment for 10 years, but Sharon have just for 5 years. Got it? So as long as the period, he can earn the interest. Got it? Okay, for the B part, to calculate the value of both investment, you have to calculate the values of investment. You have to use the formula, that is A equals, you have to calculate the interest P times 1 plus I N. Got it? You have to calculate for Rob. Rob has the basic amount $100, then 10 years and 5%. Got it? So it would be principal amount is 100, interest rate is 5%. You can write divide by the 100 and for 10 years. Got it? When you evaluate, it will be 168.2.9. Got it? And the other one is Sharon's investment is mm, uh, same money. Okay, the basic amount is same. It would be 10% for 5 years. Got it? So it would be A equals 100, 1 plus 0.10 and 5. So when you evaluate, it would be 161.05. So see, Rob has more money than the Sharon. Got it? Okay. Just look at the question number 12. Evaluate the following okay. Just look at the question number 12. Evaluate the following expressions. So you are given x square minus 4x plus 3. You have to evaluate it x equals negative 2.5. Okay, let me just write it down on the board. Okay, x square minus 4x plus 3 minus 4x plus 3. You have to evaluate for x equals negative 2.5. So replace every x with x negative 2.5. Got it? It would be x square negative 2.5 square minus 4 times negative 2.5 plus 3. Got it? Negative 2.5 square is 6.25 negative negative plus, so 4 times 2.5 is 10 and plus 3. When you add together, they make 19.25. Got it? That's how you have to evaluate. Got it? Okay, just look at the question number 16. A small office buys a computer for $4,575. Each year, its value is expected to be more to be 65% of its value of the previous year. What find the value of the computer after 5 years? So you have to calculate the value of the computer after 5 years. Okay, question number 16. Okay, the value is 4,575, I think 4,575, and the value is 65%, and you have to calculate the value after 5%. So it would be 4,575 times 0.65 exponent 5. Got it? So when you evaluate, it would be around 530.83. Got it? That means the price of the office computer after 5 years is about 530.83. Got it? Because the value is decreasing each year. So it would be 530.83. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So let me just move on to next lesson. So basically we're going to start the new chapter. Got it? And the next chapter is powers and polynomials. Let's just start with the next lesson. Chapter 2, we're going to start with chapter 2, that is powers and polynomials. Let's just start with 2.1, that is representing powers to degree 3. Got it? So, okay, let's just start with the practice questions. We just look at the question number 3. Okay, sketch models to represent each of the following algebraic expression. The variable x and y do not represent the same number. So let's just start with the question number 5. The first one is x square. Okay, so we have to model x square you have. Got it? Question number 3a. It would be x square, so you can represent it like this, x and x. Got it? Okay, the next one is x cube. X cube means you have three-dimensional shape. It would be a cube. Got it? It would look like this. So it would be x, x, and x that represents x cube. Got it? Okay. Just look at the question number 4. The area of some squares are shown. Determine the estimate the length of the sides of each square. Use a calculator to show your to check your answer. Got it? So we are now given with the areas. We have to evaluate the side lengths. We have to calculate the side lengths. So question number 4a, 144 kilometer. Okay, question number 4a, 144, and the side length. So we know that when we are going to calculate the area of square, we can do area equals side times side. That means it is area equals side square. Got it? So you are given the value, it is 144 equals s square. Just square root both sides. So 144 is the square of 12. That means it is s equals 12. So the side length is 12. Got it? For the every value given, you have to calculate the square root. Got it? Okay, just look at the question number 6. Choose the expression that represents the indicated quantity. Okay, 3y. The first A is the volume of the cube. The cube would be, the volume of the cube is side times side times side. So it would be 3y cube. 3y times 3y times 3y. It represents 3y cube. Got it? That would be, this option is the correct one. Got it? Then you have this one that represents A equals 2x square. It would be up the first one, square root 2x square. Got it? Okay, let's just start with question number 6. If the footprint of a square building has an area of 50 meters square, which is a better estimate for the length of the front of the building, 7.2 meter or 7.7? Explain your answer, and you have to see if whether it is 7.7 or 7.2. Got it? You are given the area that is 50 square. The area it is area equals 50 meters square. Got it? You are given the two values. You need to see if 7.7 is the correct one or 7.2 is the correct one. 7.7, if you have the side length 7.7, then area would be 7.7 times 7.7. Got it? When you evaluate it, be 59.29. Got it? Then the second one is 7.2. It would be then 7.2 times 7.2. So that would be 51.84. That means 50 is bit 50 is less than 51.4 and also less than 59.9. Got it? But it is 50 is near to 51.84. That means the correct option is 7.2. The side length would be 7.2. Got it? Okay. Let's just look at the question number 9. We read 4 square as 4 squared and 4 cube as 4 cubed. Sketch or build models that show why this makes sense. Okay, just look at the question number 12. Okay, the symbol cube root represents the cube root. For example, 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. Okay, so that would be a cube root of 64. Got it? So you can write it as 4 times 4 times 4. Got it? That means 4 cube equals 64. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to next lesson, that is multiplying and dividing powers. 2.2 it is. Okay, let's just move on to practice questions. So here is the principles we can apply for the exponents. If two terms that are multiplying have the same base, you can add their exponents. Got it? You can see am times an equals a times m plus n. Got it? If you have a exponent m divided by a exponent n, you can subtract them. It will be then a exponent m minus n. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Simplify 5 times 2 and 5 times 8. So here you have to apply the rules I just explained. They have same basis. 5 times 2 and 5 times 8. Got it? They have same basis like am and an. So you have to do a m plus n. You can just add the exponents. So it would be 5, 2 plus 8, and that equals 5 exponent 10. Got it? Okay, the next one is C part. 7 times 3, 7. 7 exponent 3, 7 x4 and x square. So you can see they have the same basis, you can add 3 plus 1. They have the same basis, you can add 4 plus 2. So it would be 7 exponent 4 and x exponent 6. Got it? Okay, just look at the question number 6. So you have to do the same thing we did in question number 5. Got it? Just look at the A part. Question number 6A. Okay, so N5W6, N2, and W7. So see they have same basis and these two have same basis. Got it? So you simply have to add their exponents with the same basis N5 and you have to add 2. Then you have W6 and this 7 you have to add. So it would be N7 and W13. Got it? Okay. Okay, why do you get the same result for each of the following expression? Because when you add their exponents for 7a, b, c, d, they all have their bases are same. When you add their exponents, they all make 5 exponent 11. So the answer of for all of them is exactly same. Got it? That's for question number 7a, b, c, and d. Let's just look at question number 8. That is a 5 exponent 7 divided by. So you have to apply the principle, that's am divided by an. You have to write 2 as am minus n. Got it? So same thing you have to do here. They have same basis. You can write it as 5 and 7 minus 2. So it would be 5 exponent 5. Got it? Okay, let's just look at the C part 2 exponent 5 x cube. Two exponent 5 x cube divided by 2 exponent 4 x square. See, they 2 exponent 5 and 2 exponent 4, they have the same exponent. You have to do bases, you have to do say 2 exponent 5 minus 4, and they both have the same base. You have to do x3 minus 2, so it would be 2 exponent 1 and x exponent 1. Got it? Okay, let's just start with question number 9. A. It would be 7 exponent 6 a cube 7 exponent 2 divided by 7 exponent 3a. Okay, so the 7 exponent 6 and 7 exponent 2, they both are multiplying. You have to add their exponents. Got it? It would be 7 exponent 8 over 7 exponent 3, a3 over a. Now they are dividing. You have to subtract their exponents. Got it? These are the two principles I've explained. Now I'm going to apply them. 8 minus 3 is 5 and a. 3 minus 1 is 2. So it would be 7 exponent 5 and a exponent 2. Got it? So basically on these questions you just have to apply the principles we just learned. Got it? Hold on, let me. Okay, just look at this one. So 4 exponent 5 and 4 exponent 6 are multiplying. You have to add their exponents. Got it? It would be 4 exponent 11. Then 7 1 is dividing, you have to subtract, it would be 4 exponent 4. Got it? For the rest of the all questions, you have to do the same thing. Got it? And for question number 2, what you have 12, what you have to do, you have to replace all the x with 2 and all the y with 5, and then you have to evaluate. Got it? You can do question number 12 by yourself. Let me just see the questions on the next page. Okay, just look at the question number 14. Scientists estimate that there are Scientists estimates that there are 50 times 10 exponent 12. There are 50 times 10 exponent 12 cells in the average human. There are approximately 6 times 10 exponent 9 humans in the world. Approximately how many cells do all the humans on the earth have? Write your answer using a power of 10. Got it? So basically you have to calculate the cells that all the humans on earth have. Got it? That means you have to multiply these two values. Got it? You have to do 50 times for question number 14. You have to do 50 times 10 exponent 12 and 6 times 10 exponent 9. So just multiply 6 times 50, that means 6 times 5 is 30, so it is 300. And they have the same basis, just add their exponents. Got it? So you can write as 300 times 10 exponent 21. Got it? Also you have two zeros here, you can write it as 3 times 10 exponent 2 and 3 times 10 exponent 1. Again they have the same basis, so you can do 3 times 10 exponent 21. Sorry, 23. 21 plus 2 is 23. It would be 3 exponent 10 times 10 exponent 3 times 10 exponent 23. That means the number of cells do all the humans on the earth have is 3 times 10 exponent 23. Got it? Okay, just look at the question number 17. A piece of steel plate is used to make a railway car. The plate is 2.5 meter wide and 3.2 meter long and 0.5 meter thick. Determine the volume of the steel in cubic centimeter. So whenever you have to calculate the cube, what you have to do? You have to do length time, width time, height. Got it? You have to multiply all the values. Okay, you have to do 2 point um 2.5 meter, 3.2 meter, and 0.5 centimeter, but they all are in different units. First of all, you have to make them in same unit. Got it? That is question number 17. The values are 2.5 meter wide, width is 2.5 meter, then you have, I think, length. Long is 3.2 meter and thick is 0.5. Got it? So you have to write down all the values in the same. So you just multiply them by 100, it would be 250 centimeter, 320 centimeter. Now they all are in the same unit, so you have to just multiply them. For the volume, you have to multiply length time, width time, height. It would be 250 times 320 times 0.5. So that equals 40,000 centimeter cube. Got it? Okay. Let's just look at the question number 18. The annual worldwide production of all grains is about 9 times 10 exponent 12. How much grain is produced per person if there are approximately 6 times 10 exponent 9 people in the world? So you have to divide both the values, got it? Because you have to calculate the value per person, got it? So the total value is 9 times 10 exponent 12. You have to do 9 times 10 exponent 12 divided by 6 times 10 exponent 9, got it? It would be 9 over 6, 10 exponent 12 minus 9. So you can divide them by the common factor, it would be 3 over 2 and 10 exponent 3. Either you can write 1.5 times 10 exponent 3. So it would be 1.5 times 10 exponent 3. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So we are working grade 9 maths. The chapter we have started with rational numbers. The lessons we have covered from the chapter is powers of rational numbers. Then we've started the new chapter that is powers and polynomials. And lessons from the chapter we did are representing powers up to degree 3 and multiplying and dividing powers. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.